So, legends, Spud fans, the one you've been waiting for, an update on the Spud looks. I know it feels like high time, but we have been super busy and we've been in the background sourcing parts for this bad boy. So, there was a few issues with it to start with before we could get any further, and that was the fact that it doesn't drive because it has basically no clutch. As you can see, you shouldn't be able to just press it down that easy with your hand. So, the reason for that is both of the cylinders on the clutch are just about defunct. So we have a new master cylinder for the clutch and we have a new slave cylinder for the clutch that we are going to fit up, put some fluid in, bleed it all out and get this thing driving. So let's crack on with changing them. Fastest and easiest way to get this fluid out then is with a vacuum bleeder like this. Also, if your brake fluid looks that colour, it's time for a change. As you can see, that fluid has definitely seen better days. It should not look like hot chocolate. Okay, let's crack off that hose from the slave cylinder. There we go. Okay, crack off the bolts for this slave cylinder. Right, master cylinder now then. Right, slave cylinder next. So, pin goes in like so, the little rubber gaiter over the top, slide it down, notch it back onto the body there. Okay, let's get the hose union in before we go any further. Shall we see if it'll go? Yes! Well, the real test then, let's see if it moves under its own power after them cylinders. Yes, what a machine! Right, now it's moving under its own power, we can really get ripped into this restoration. So, over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be getting it in, getting the body and the tub off and getting to grips with that chassis restoration, sorting out these gnarly brakes and steering box, and then more and more and more from there. So keep your eyes peeled, there's going to be loads of updates coming now we've got it driving.